Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for April. I'm like, I've been inside so long. What month even is it? Anyway, so this is Ipsy bag for April. I hope everybody is safe and doing well. I actually did, full disclosure, get pretty sick. I was sick for 3 weeks. I did pre-film a lot of stuff, so I was able to upload videos while I was not feeling well, but I'm doing much better now, as you can tell. I'm like getting better. I'm so happy. So let me go ahead and start unboxing. First of all, there's a couple add-on type things. I got Wonder Eye Cream from Balance Me. You can get add-ons for a couple dollars. And I got Nomad Toscana, a single shadow here. I love Nomad Cosmetics. I'll go ahead and swatch that for you guys. That sort of a peachy shimmer there. So yeah, Nomad Cosmetics is one of my favorite. I have all their single shadows. They're having a big sale where their single shadows are like $1 something, and they're getting rid of their singles and just doing palettes, I think. So if you're interested in Nomad shadow singles or trying them out, they're very, very cheap. They're like 80-something% off right now. I'll put that link below. Hopefully they still have the sale. Here's another thing that I don't know what it is. It's from Lovecraft Beauty, and I think it's a lipstick. Oh, it is. Oh, cool. So it's sort of a nude lipstick. Sort of goes with that eyeshadow there. So I don't know if I got those as like a 2-pack or not, but anyway, it was an add-on. Okay, so first thing in my Ipsy bag is these 2 face masks, which are cool. I really like these face masks. I don't usually buy them because for some reason I feel like they're wasteful. I don't know if it's because you get this big sheet that you just throw away, and also the packaging and stuff. I kind of feel like they're wasteful. I usually just put creams and serums on my face, or do like masks that come out of a tube and then rinse it off. But I like these, so I like having these in the bag. So, Full Bloom is this month's theme. And here's our little bag. It's super cute. It's flowers, and then the zipper pull is wooden. That's a really nice touch. And then the zipper pull also has these metal rings. Very cute. Okay, what else is in here? So, oh, Be Bright Illuminating Concealer from Kokie. Now this I picked as my add-on because I've been using this as my concealer, and I really like it because on me, and I don't know, everybody else's skin is different, but on me, this doesn't crease that much, and it's a good color, and it works really well, and I love every time I use it. And I can't say that for any other concealer that I've used, and I've used so many other concealers, you know, Too Faced, Tarte Shape Tape, e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer, Morphe, so many. I've used a lot of different concealers, and this is the one that works best for me. And I feel like that it's got to be a personal thing, but this Kokie one, it really works for me. Okay, what else is in here? So Hey Honey, which I like Hey Honey. It's a herbal toner, and it's a little travel size, and this will last me though quite a while. I really like these travel sizes because they do last me a little bit, because I usually just use a few drops all over, and I can travel with them really, really easily. I really like that. Then Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. It says it's vegan and cruelty free, which is what I'm after. Okay, so that's a nice blush there. Sort of a peachy shade. Let's see. Ooh, that's nice. It's kind of satiny and it's sort of shimmery. Right here. I like that. There's one more thing in here. It's a teeny sample from Oriza. And it's a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's actually full-size pan size, but in this teeny palette where you have a matte and 3 shimmer shades. So that's kind of cool. And this would be great to travel with as well. So they're full-size pans, but only it's a quad and it's little. That would be super great to travel with, which is one of the benefits of Ipsy stuff. Is you can travel with it. I never have to worry about things going bad because I can typically use up products. Especially I love the mascara sizes that you usually get like half sizes or third size. And I just love that because then you can use it up and you don't have to throw anything away. Typically I use it up in about the time it takes to throw it out. So I think that's great. That's everything that's in my Ipsy bag this month. Thanks for watching.